Hi guys, Metalhead here, and today I'm looking at these two silver bars, the kilo bar from Baird Co and its smaller baby version, the 500 gram, the half kilo. And in particular, what I'm going to be looking at today is the premium that you'd pay on these bars. There's obviously going to be a bit of a premium difference depending on if you're buying half a kilo or a kilo. But actually what I'm going to do is really drill down into them numbers today and work out what we're actually talking in terms of percentage terms. And I've chosen these two from Baird Co so we can have a bit of a comparable experience on the two bars and exclude as many variables as possible. So today's date for reference is the 13th of August 21. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to draw a few columns out. First start off with the size, just so we know which bar we're talking about. Excuse my handwriting as usual, it's not my best trait, but hopefully I can get the message down on the board. And then I'm going to look at the spot price in the market, the live spot price of the silver in the market. So right now I'm looking at my screen, the spot price of a kilo of silver in sterling is currently coming in at £544.95. So in terms of half a kilo, we're talking about £272, and let's round that up to 48. Just check my maths there. Yeah, that's right. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flick to the Baird Co screen and just have a look how much it would cost to buy one of these 500 gram bars or kilo bars from them. So the 500 gram bar is currently coming in at £301.59, and the kilo bar is coming in at £590.19. And something we've got to remember to do here, those of you who've watched my videos will remember, and those of you who are UK stackers will know the hard way, that we have to also add VAT to that. So for the first bar, the 500 gram bar, so it's £301.59. If you times it by 1.2, we'll get to the VAT figure, which is 361.9. Let's round that up to 1. And then if we do the same for the kilo, so 590.19 times 1.2, that gives us the net cost of 708.23. So that's the cost, and that includes the premium on the silver and the VAT. So we can get a good idea there of what we'd be paying. There would be some delivery costs if you were to get that delivered, but actually as I think I've mentioned before on previous videos, these bars from Baird Co, you can actually collect them in person from their showroom in Hatton Garden, which I did in this case. So we'll use these costs here, and then now what I'm going to calculate therefore is the combined premium, so which includes the VAT and the premium on the silver, so we can see what we're paying here in excess of the spot price. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to work out what the excess we're paying over the spot prices first. So if I do 361.91 minus the spot price, which is 272.48, so we're paying £89.43 premium on this 500 gram bar. So if we divide that by the spot price, which is 272.48, and then times that by 100, we can see we're paying a 32.82% premium, and that's already looking a lot lower. I have another video on my YouTube channel where I look at this same sort of calculations, but with Britannia coins, 1 ounce Britannia coins, and that's looking a lot lower than the Britannia coins that I looked at, the silver Britannia coins. So check that video out if you haven't already. And we're going to just do this now for the kilo bar. So similar, well, exactly the same calculation. It was 708.23 minus 544.95, and then I'll divide that by 544.95, and then times that by 100, and that gives a premium of 29.96%. So there we go, guys. You can see a slightly lower premium on the kilo bar, about 10% less, which is pretty cool. I actually thought it would be a bit more extreme than that, if I'm being honest. So that's quite interesting. But yeah, as I imagined, and as probably a lot of my viewers would imagine, the premium's slightly lower the more you buy. It'd be interesting to see if we went even higher than that, how that would affect the premium even more. But yeah, hopefully that's been useful. Yeah, keep an eye out on my channel. Please consider subscribing because I'm going to be posting content like this moving forward. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope that was useful. And in the meantime, happy stacking.